Welcome guys. If you want to get vaj or purchase vaj anywhere right now, there are some things you need to understand about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you everything about vaj web at the back end, which is the back end of vaj. I'm going to explain everything in details and why you really need to get vaj Pro. Let's get started. In case you've been in this website for so long, this is the front page. What exactly is vaj's work? Vaj is just going to boost your online business via WhatsApp. So it can work directly with on a website, which is a web-based stuff that you've set up. You can share the link anywhere and people are going to come into the same page and make a purchase. And also you can make good use of their different features on WhatsApp, which is just like a simple extension in different ways. So now let's get to the pricing. So in case you are seeing some offer or not, this is the pricing. It's kind of very expensive, but for the purpose of this video I purchased that. So just to explain to you in detail, this is it. This is my backend and this is my subscription. I've logged in and this is how it looked like. I made a subscription of about $30, and this is it now. Just to make this video clear for you guys, I'm using the agency monthly plan. So now let's get started. If you are logging yourself in for the very first time or something, you are going to see many things here for you to set up, which include installing the Chrome extension for vaj, and also we have the my biz section, we have the CRM section. All these need setup. I created a video when the company is still @. The video include me explaining every detail. I'm going to put the link in this section of the video so you can go back and watch my past video of how I set up my profile one by one. In this video I just want to show you everything you need to understand about it. So the very first thing you are going to notice here is a link in my name .wat.bz. I can make it my custom link. In my previous video I explained how to have your own custom link for your store, but because this is my store link. So now the CRM is the web.whatsapp.com, which includes different features. So now let's get to the my biz section to make things very clear. So this is it loading up, and every setup I made here, every little setup I made here is being shown to everybody to see here, including my store and all. So now my phone number, my social link, my links and my domain, everything was set here. So if I want to use my own domain right now, all I just need to do is to do this, then put in the right DNS, the right TTL and the DNS, the A record, and everything is just going to be there within 48 hours or less. So that's just it. You can watch my video that I'm going to put the link there to get the full understanding of all this my biz section and how I set it up perfectly. So other than that, we have the CRM here that you guys already know. So the first thing you have to know here is when you have to create a ticket for a specific user. Probably maybe a user is having an order decline, or probably the user did not get the order, or any situation at all. So you can create a ticket for your user to keep in touch, to keep tab of everything. This is just going to help you to import your WhatsApp contact, so you can give each of your users probably a tag, put them in a funnel. Okay, this has been a pro user, this has been a paid user, this is just a friend list, different thing like that. That is going to help you to connect to your users. And also this is the work group, which is going to fetch data from all the groups that you have, including their number. This is it. Let me show you that. So you can see the participants here and you can see their phone numbers, so which means you can export their phone numbers and use it in different ways. Wonderful too. Now we have the web broadcast, which is your broadcast. You can fetch the detail in your broadcast, which I've never done. And also you can chat with this. Yes, you can chat. It also integrates with your text message, your images, your videos, and so much more. The data are fetched and put here. So now this is the chatting section, and you can view the live chat here. So this is the message where all the message of your chat are saved, and all. Then the quick reply is something very simple. I can make a video of how the front end is going to look like, which is going to be the extension part. I have a video on that already, but I can make a video on vaj because the old one was on vaj, but they are still the same thing. So just put that in mind. So the quick reply are just a simple trigger that you click and everything is just going to send a specific message. If you input something like a name, it's going to automatically fetch the user. How you save the person's name is going to input the person's name. If you put the address, is going to automatically input the address of the person based on how you saved the contact of that person. So which is a very nice tool. Also, we have the funnel here. The funnel is just going to be different type of funnels that you want to categorize your people or your contact on. So this is going to make sense a lot for you and for anybody that is working with you, because you can have 1 or 2 people working with you on a vaj or on vaj or outside vaj, just to make sales for your business. So that on that, we have the tag, and we also have the ticket status, which you can be changing here. So you can make a ticket status urgent, close, or open, which is going to reflect here. So urgent, I can change this easily by clicking it, then change from urgent to closed or open. That's just it. Then it's done. So now we have the store. In the store here, we have the dashboard that is going to show you all your sold item, your net revenue, and different things you actually need to keep track of all your products. We have orders. That's where you're going to see your order or pending order, who try to purchase, what's going on, everything. You are going to see them here, who paid and who did not. And also you can easily change your order status here yourself. Paid, very simple like that. Unpaid, open, status, processing, different things like that. You can easily do it from here. Very simple. And it's also going to show in your web.whatsapp.com, which is going to be the extension you integrate with WhatsApp. So it's all the status is going to automatically start reflecting anytime you make changes here. You need to understand that too. So the product section is where you can add more products based on the category you input them. So these are the category. You can create different category. You can have a badge for your product. The attribute is going to give you more chance to create different shoe size, colors, different things, different variables of your product based on how you have them. So the charges are going to be additional charges you want to add to your product. And you can also have the inventory. The inventory also is something people do need on their product. It's going to give you the chance to add your SKU, the stock, and adjust different things from your product. So the shipping section is going to make sense. Okay, if the person select a location called Lagos or anywhere close to Lagos, if Lagos is included, you are going to charge the person $2,000 or 2,000 naira for shipping. But you can exclude the shipping part for anybody that make an order that is above $100,000. Very simple. The checkout makes sense, and you can add different things, different add-on, different forms. These are going to be the requirements for anybody that is checking out on your website. So you will need their name, their email address, and their address. So you can mark some features and you can unmark some if you don't need them. Settings and different things like that. So I suggest you check my complete video on everything so you can have the full understanding of how it actually works. So this is just me showing how everything looks like. So in case you are wondering that how is the payment integration, how is the payment processing going to go, there are like 7 ways you can make payments to your users that is going to make sense for you, and you can perfectly do that within a click, with a click of a button. Very simple. I make a video of each one of these so you can understand them. You can see the video in the link above or in the description of the video. And also this is the settings which is going to allow you to select the currency you want your store to be showing. So every currency is here and you can make good use of them. You can change your store name and do different things that you want. With this button you can just visit your store. Now we have the poll before we round up on everything. So the poll is just like you are voting, allowing your user to vote, and you can easily see who vote and what they actually vote for. You can see their phone number and very simple thing. And this is the integration. If you want to add a Facebook pixel in case you are sending traffic from Facebook, or you want to integrate your Google Analytics, Salesforce, different things like that, they got you covered, guys. Now this is the account section. Nothing big here other than some areas or some functions you don't ever want to click. Wipe data and delete accounts, please don't do that. And also your subscription, which one is where you can actually buy new, upgrade your plan, and also you can go for the free plan and do different things here. Very easy. What's new is going to help you to see the latest features that vaj is having, and that's all. That's everything you need to know. So in case you are thinking, or you still want to stay outside just to think for a while, you want to stay as a free user, there are many limitations for you, so which includes different things that you are going to miss out. If you want to enjoy your products and making sales online very well, I suggest you go for the vaj Pro, which I'm going to add the link to the description. As I said in my previous video, there is something big coming up that I want everybody to take the advantage of that. So, and immediately the stuff is out, I'll add the link to every vaj video I've made on my channel. So I suggest you guys keep looking out for that. And that's all I have for you today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will appreciate it if you keep subscribing to my channel, and I won't let you down, guys. I'll keep pumping up new videos almost like every day. Thank you, guys, and have a good day.